Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online by watching videos. It has multiple payment methods including Payeer, PayPal, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, and more. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to explain to you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure not to miss any steps of this video. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Keep in mind that this isn't your conventional technique to get money by viewing videos before you start watching it. You must watch every single second of this class in order to appropriately set things up. You won't know what you need to do if you just go forward, and it won't help you in the long term. Before you do anything else, go to YouTube and watch a few videos. You will be reimbursed for watching videos on YouTube, but before we get into it, you must first join youtube.com. What I'll show you is how to do it. All you have to do is go to the page's upper right corner and click Sign In. You'll be prompted to create a password and enter your email address in order to log in. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create one. By going to this website and clicking on the sign up button, you can do so. In the next page's two boxes, enter your entire name as well as your new email address in the box below. Finally, in these two boxes, you must type and retype your password as a confirmation. And to continue, press the next button. Before the Explore button appears, you'll need to fill out a few more details before you can sign up. You'll want to click on your YouTube account on the left-hand side of the screen to move to the next page, where you'll have to choose a game after you've logged in. In this section, we'll show you some of the best gaming videos that are popular and getting a lot of views. And it's from these videos that people may make a lot of money on the internet. The next step is to choose a game to play from the list below. As a result of the vastness and popularity of the gaming industry, it doesn't matter which one you choose as long as it is well liked and loved by a huge number of players. It's impossible to go wrong with any of the current games on the market. When you select any of those games, you'll now be able to find specific videos, and they're all getting a lot of views as time goes on. We'll get paid today on the second website, therefore you should leave this page and go there. On the second website, I'm about to show you 7r6.com. You may get money by shortening the URLs of selected videos. Simply sign up for an account, then shorten the URL of any website and you will be refunded for doing so through it. As a result of this, they will pay you to shorten URLs. The person who clicks on a shortened URL, not just a YouTube video link, will be transported to an external page where they will be shown adverts before being redirected to the destination site. Not just a YouTube video link. Ad money is split between the person who just shortened a link on our platform and the person who just shortened a link on YouTube. Precisely like it is done on the website itself. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. When you first arrive on this site, you'll do exactly the same thing as you may be aware. You'll need to create an account before you can be compensated for your time and effort. So, in the upper right corner of the page, click the Sign Up button. After that, you'll be sent to a screen where you'll be asked to create a password and enter your email address. After that, you'll check this box and then you'll click the Register button below to finish the process. You'll see this when you log into your newly created account. On this page, you can also see your average click-through rate, as well as your total number of views and referral earnings. To shorten the link, simply copy and paste the new shortened link into this box. Finally, to finish the procedure, click the shortened link below. You can withdraw the money you've made from those shortened links by clicking on the withdraw icon on the left. All you have to do to earn money is shorten links after you've registered an account, and the YouTube videos are the ones we'll want to shorten, even though you can copy and paste URLs from any of these videos. I'm going to give you a good advice on how to make extra money. It's critical that you focus on live videos, and I'm confident that you'll get greater results and make more money if you do. All you have to do is click on live here and you'll only see live videos from YouTube. Once you've found the video's URL, simply open any of them, such as this one, and click on share here. You'll be able to copy the link, return to this platform and paste it in this box. Then click shorten below to complete the process. You'll also want to repeat what I've taught you for at least 3 videos to make it even more efficient. Just keep in mind that if you can shorten as many links to different films as possible, you'll be able to get more money. It's time to put them all together now that you've shortened distinct links to different videos. The only thing lacking is your source of traffic. In order to be reimbursed, you must get people to click on your link. Don't worry, I'll show you 2 important sources of traffic. The first is steamcommunity.com. A gaming-related forum where individuals may discuss a variety of topics. The site receives millions of monthly visitors and thousands of postings on numerous games are available through Steam. These 2 factors make it the ideal traffic source for us because we want to offer shortened links to the gaming videos on YouTube. On this website, the first thing you'll need to do is create an account. To start getting clicks, all you have to do now is write your post on the site where you will share your shortened links. Imagine how simple it is to make money from home. Apart from Steam, you can just sit and wait patiently while you receive hundreds of thousands of clicks from gamers and others all around the internet. You can also use the mute.us website to share your abbreviated URLs. Using Steam, you can just follow all of the instructions I've just given to you and you'll be good to go. The quantity of traffic that is about to come to your way will astonish you. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online by watching videos. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.